My name is Dr. Javed. I'm an interventional cardiologist, and I work out of Institute for Advanced Cardiovascular Care, providing service for patients in the Kissimmee, St. Cloud, and Point Sinai area. The question that has been asked is, what is a heart murmur? It's actually a very frequently asked question. A heart murmur is caused by turbulent blood flow through your heart valves. And usually a cardiologist is able to pick it up when they listen to your heart using a stethoscope, the device that allows us to diagnose these different murmurs. Murmurs can vary from anywhere from being benign to very significant murmurs that may be indicative of serious valve problems. And the way to diagnose that by visiting a cardiologist, he may allow us to do more procedures where we can perhaps diagnose the problem more accurately by seeing which valves are involved and how severely diseased the valves are to see if any other interventions are needed.